Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your clipboard history is not working or showing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in clipboard. Best match should come back with clipboard settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to make sure clipboard history is turned on, so we just have to toggle that to the on position, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So honestly, that's about it, guys. If you're still having an issue, would recommend restarting your computer, make sure that has, taken place, and then attempt to copy and paste again, and then hopefully items are saving to your clipboard. If you're still having a problem, you can also try clearing clipboard data. So I'd recommend clicking on the clear button here. And that should be about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.